morning, Dinesh. Recently, we have seen that chemical business is taking a lot of strides trying to achieve global standards, including recent certifications of responsible care, ESG. How are these certifications and other certificates shaping your methodology on product development?
I think this responsible care logo, EG certification and green product certifications are pivotal and integral part of our approach. This certification push us to institutionalize the processes and framework which push us to review all our products and solutions through this framework. For example, our existing formulation of a fuel additive solution. We have gone through this framework. We re-customize our formulations to have optimum performance and reduced emissions. While we are working on this solution, certification framework also pushes us to look around your manufacturing processes. And through this initiative, we have converted all our manufacturing sites for green power. We also switched our all fuels to the green fuel like biomass, and we are 100% phased out the single-use plastics. And it also helps us to achieve our goal of water neutrality through various initiatives. I am very happy that our research and development team is also revisiting few of our construction chemical products through this framework, reformulated the formulations to get the green product certification, and we can provide this sustainable construction solution for increasing need of infrastructure. So,
Right.
this is how these certifications are helping us to institutionalize and having a continual improvement
Right.
across all the business processes through ESG lenses.
Right. Very nice to hear about these developments, Dinesh. And what are the long-term strategies as a company you are having to keep competition at bay, especially focusing on the water treatment chemical segment?
I think we are investing very heavily, not only through our research and development team for innovating our existing solutions to meet the obligation of all certification which I spoke about it.
Yeah.
Same time, we are very flexible and agile to partner with the global technology provider, bring the global technology, localize it either through our research team or collaborating with the academic partner, so that this global technology we are making available, accessible, affordable for our industry partner. One of the example what we are showcasing here is the IoT enabled solid chemistry,
Right.
for our cooling water treatment chemical,
Right.
which not only help us to detect the real time the water quality, compute the optimum dosage and deliver that dosage. It also helps to reduce our carbon footprint for transporting the huge liquid chemical.
Right.
Second, we are eliminating the plastic drums,
Okay.
and because of our real-time data, insight and information coming out of this system, it helps customer for reuse, recycle and reduce water consumption, which ultimately help them to reduce their water footprint. In short, what I am trying to tell, this is one of the strategic lever and which we will continue to invest and try to bring such a technological solutions, localize it for our industry partners.
Okay. Thank you, Dinesh, for the insight, and thank you for coming to Boiler India.
Thanks.